Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to use pivot chart and pivot table and how to get graphical display of data and how to filter region wise or city wise and how to customize the graphical display. For that, simply click on insert pivot chart, under that pivot chart and pivot table. Click it. Then first thing is we have to give range. From the point of header, just give it, that is region. Just select enter data. We can able to filter out whatever we want, so better to select all the range. Once it is selected, then select the news worksheet for displaying graph. Click OK. So this is a table, this is chart. Once we click region, then automatically it will display here table, here it will display chart. Then we just click city. After that we just click 21 sales data. So it is displaying now. We can able to choose multiple layouts. Just select it. We have multiple options are there. Okay. This is the one option. And in case we want only regions, then you just close it. We can do that. In case we want to compare with multiple layers, just select it. This is also possible. This is east, north, south and west. Another option is we can able to switch the row or column. So this will the which region is high, we can able to see here year wise. We can switch it again. In case we want to compare two cities, then it will be very easy. Again, you just click it here. In case we want to compare Bangalore with Chennai, just click Bangalore and Chennai. Click OK. Just expand it. Here also we can able to change row or column. We can able to change. We can give title also here. And one more option is in label we can able to change it inside, outside and center. We can do that. To remove the filter, just select all. Now it is only South India is displaying with details. We can open everything. Like that we can able to customize it. Whatever way we want, we can do that. Region wise. region-wise cells. We have multiple options while selecting chart. This is also one of the simplest way of giving presentation. The main advantage of using pivot chart and pivot table is we can arrange columns or rows whatever way we want, and it can be presented in a nice way. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.